A circle of radius 5 centimeters has a chord of length 8 centimeters. A line is drawn from the center of the circle to the midpoint of the chord. What is the length of this line? Okay, so let's draw our circle and put the center just here. And then we'll put the chord on here. And then we have a line from the center to here. Now, what we've already discussed is if these are equal, that's a right angle. And we know that this chord is 8 centimeters long, making this 4 centimeters and that 4 centimeters. The radius is 5 centimeters. And of course, this is a right angle. This is the distance we're trying to find, so we can use Pythagoras' theorem. So d squared would be equal to 5 squared take away 4 squared, which is 25 take away 16, which is 9, and therefore d would be 3 centimeters.